The 1950 Studebaker truck, a true American classic that defined an era of rugged reliability, unique design, and ahead of its time engineering. Let's dive in. Exterior. The 1950 Studebaker truck was instantly recognizable for its distinct bullet nose front end, a hallmark of Studebaker's post-war design. The rounded fenders and smooth curves give it an aerodynamic look, something quite rare for trucks of that era. These trucks came in different configurations, from half-ton to one-ton models, and could be customized with different bed lengths. The signature split windshield and large chrome grille added to its striking presence on the road. And of course, Studebaker's emblem on the hood and tailgate proudly displayed the brand's craftsmanship and innovation. Interior. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's simple yet functional. The large steering wheel makes handling easier, while the basic gauge cluster provides all the essential information: speed, fuel, and oil pressure. The bench seat was designed for practicality, comfortably seating 2 or 3 passengers. The materials were built to last, though many owners today opt for modern reupholstery to restore its original charm. Performance. Under the hood, the 1950 Studebaker truck came with several engine options, including the reliable Champion 170 cubic inch inline-6 and the more powerful Commander 245 cubic inch inline-6. These engines produced anywhere from 80 to 102 horsepower, modest by today's standards but more than capable for hauling and farm work back in the day. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission, with some models featuring an optional overdrive for improved highway cruising. On the road, the Studebaker truck offers a solid, reliable ride. The leaf spring suspension can be a bit bumpy, but that's expected from a work truck of this vintage. The 1950 Studebaker truck remains an icon among classic truck enthusiasts. With its bold styling, durable construction, and solid performance, it continues to turn heads and impress collectors more than 70 years later. If you're lucky enough to find one in good condition, it's a worthwhile investment whether you restore it, customize it, or simply enjoy the nostalgia of a bygone era. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.